Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall apps on your Amazon Fire Stick. So first things first, you can come all the way right to the apps section here. Then you can come down and select App Library. Now within the app library, you can see all the apps. You can choose installed on this TV or not installed. And these are the most popular apps not installed on your TV. So you can press into any of them. So let's say Netflix, and it'll take you straight to the download page where you can download it straight from there. If you want to uninstall any apps, you can come to the app what are installed, select the three lines on your remote control, and then come down to uninstall. You can also uninstall apps by going to the main settings, applications, then come down to manage installed applications. Find the app you want to delete, go into it, then select uninstall or the fast forward button. You can also download apps by coming to the main home screen, selecting the spyglass. Coming down, you can select a genre that you want to download in, or you can use the search box. So let's say you want to download Paramount Plus, you can select this. Then you can select the app, what you want to download, and then you can select the app, what you've found. So that's how to install and uninstall apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.